Ever had that frustrating check engine light pop up, only to find out it's related to your vehicle's Evaporative Emission Control, or EVP system? You're not alone. EVAP leaks are a common culprit, often leading to mysterious engine codes and potentially emissions test failures. Today, we're diving deep into the world of EVP diagnostics, revealing the system's function, common failure points, and how advanced tools like smoke machines and scan tool data can pinpoint even the most elusive leaks. So, what exactly is the EVP system? Essentially, it's a closed system designed to prevent raw fuel vapors from escaping your fuel tank into the atmosphere. Gasoline contains volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, which are harmful pollutants. Instead of releasing them, the EVP system captures these vapors, stores them, and eventually purges them into your engine to be burned during combustion. This isn't just about saving the environment, it's about optimizing your engine's performance and efficiency too. Let's break down the key players in this intricate system. At its core, you have the fuel tank, obviously, where the vapors originate. Connected to it are various lines and hoses. A crucial component is the charcoal canister, which acts like a sponge, absorbing and storing fuel vapors. Then there's the purge valve, often located near the engine, which controls when these stored vapors are drawn into the intake manifold. And finally, the vent valve, typically integrated with the canister, which allows fresh air into the system during the purge cycle and seals the system during leak tests. The process typically begins with fuel vapors accumulating in the fuel tank. These vapors travel through lines to the charcoal canister where they are adsorbed by activated charcoal. When your engine is running under specific conditions, the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, commands the purge valve to open. This creates a vacuum, drawing the stored fuel vapors from the canister, through the purge valve, and into the engine's intake manifold to be burned. Simultaneously, the vent valve opens, allowing fresh air to enter the canister, sweeping the vapors out. Recognizing the symptoms of an EVP leak is your first step. The most common indicator is, of course, the illuminated check engine light. You might see diagnostic trouble codes like P0440, P0442, or P0455. Beyond the dashboard light, you might also notice a distinct smell of gasoline, especially after refueling, which indicates vapors escaping. In some cases, a severe EVP leak can even lead to rough idling or slightly reduced fuel economy, as unmetered air enters the system. Diagnosing and repairing EVP leaks isn't just about making that check engine light disappear, it's about maintaining your vehicle's health and adhering to environmental standards. These leaks contribute to smog and ground-level ozone, impacting air quality. Environmentally, properly functioning EVP systems are crucial for reducing harmful emissions. Economically, resolving these issues can prevent costly repairs down the road, improve fuel efficiency, and ensure your vehicle passes mandatory emissions inspections, saving you from fines or registration problems. However, diagnosing EVP leaks can be notoriously tricky. Unlike a visible oil leak, EVAP leaks are often invisible and can be incredibly tiny, sometimes no larger than a pinhole. They can occur in any part of the system: a cracked hose, a faulty gas cap, a leaking fuel tank, or a malfunctioning purge or vent valve. Their location, combined with the often intermittent nature of some failures, makes them a true diagnostic challenge, requiring a systematic and often advanced approach. Before reaching for specialized tools, always start with the basics: a thorough visual inspection. Begin with the gas cap. Is it tightened correctly? Is the seal cracked or damaged? This is surprisingly a very common source of EVP codes. Next, visually trace all accessible EVP lines and hoses from the fuel tank to the engine compartment. Look for obvious cracks, disconnections, or signs of rodent damage. Check the charcoal canister for any visible damage. Sometimes, the simplest solution is the correct one. When visual inspections yield no results, it's time to engage advanced diagnostics, starting with your scan tool. A professional scan tool is invaluable for monitoring live data. Look specifically at fuel tank pressure or FTP sensor readings. During an EVP system self-test, the PCM commands the vent valve closed and the purge valve open to create a vacuum. If the FTP sensor doesn't show a sufficient vacuum being pulled or doesn't hold it, it points towards a leak. You can also monitor the purge valve duty cycle and the vent valve's commanded state. Beyond just checking the system's test parameters, your skin tool can reveal indirect evidence of a leak through fuel trim data. A significant EVP leak, especially one allowing unmetered air into the intake manifold, can impact your engine's air-fuel mixture. Keep an eye on your short-term fuel trim and long-term fuel trim values. If they are consistently positive, particularly at idle, it suggests the engine is adding fuel to compensate for extra air, which could be indicative of an EVP leak, especially if coupled with other EVP-related codes. Now for one of the most effective tools in an EVP technician's arsenal, the smoke machine. This device generates a harmless, dense smoke that can be introduced directly into the EVP system. To set it up, you typically need to disconnect a main EVP line, usually near the charcoal canister or the purge valve, and connect the smoke machine's hose. Ensure the vent valve is commanded closed, usually with your skin tool, or manually capped off to properly seal the system for testing. Always follow safety precautions, ensuring good ventilation. With the smoke machine properly connected and the system sealed, activate the machine to begin injecting smoke. Allow several minutes for the smoke to fill the entire EVP system. Then, systematically inspect all components and lines. Pay close attention to the fuel tank, filler neck, gas cap, canister, purge valve, vent valve, and all the hoses. Even the smallest puff of smoke escaping anywhere indicates a leak. Use a bright light and even a mirror to check hard-to-reach areas. Interpreting the smoke test results is key. A wispy stream of smoke from a specific point indicates the location of your leak, be it a cracked hose, a failed seal on a component, or a pinhole in the fuel tank itself. If you see smoke emanating from the vent valve area even when commanded closed, it could indicate an internal leak in the valve or an issue with its seal. No smoke at all, yet still an EVP code? This might point to an intermittent issue, or perhaps a component failure that isn't a physical leak, such as a clogged canister or a faulty pressure sensor. Beyond just general leaks, individual component failures are common. Let's look at the purge valve. With your skin tool, you can often command the purge valve open and closed. While commanded closed, it should hold vacuum. If it leaks, it's faulty. You can also disconnect the vacuum line to the purge valve and apply a small vacuum manually with a hand pump. If it doesn't hold vacuum when closed, it needs replacement. Its electrical operation can also be checked with a multimeter if necessary. The vent valve and charcoal canister are also frequent points of failure. The vent valve can be commanded open and closed with a skin tool. When closed, it should completely seal the system. If it's stuck open or leaking internally, your system won't pass its self-test. You can sometimes test this manually by applying pressure or vacuum and observing if it holds. The charcoal canister itself can become saturated or clogged, particularly if the fuel tank is consistently overfilled. This restricts vapor flow and can cause persistent EVP codes even without a physical leak in the lines. Decoding EVP leaks requires a blend of foundational knowledge and the smart application of advanced diagnostic tools. Understanding the system's function, recognizing common failure points, and leveraging your skin tool for live data alongside the visual precision of a smoke machine will empower you to accurately pinpoint and repair these often frustrating issues. Stay proactive with your vehicle's maintenance, and you'll keep that check engine light at bay, ensuring cleaner emissions and a healthier running engine.